Hi and welcome to this video where I'm restoring this London pattern trowel that I found. It's 10.5 inches from heel to toe, 4.5 inches wide at the widest point. If you see, there was no manufacturer's markings on it. Apart from that blue bit of paint at the bottom where they sort of covered the throat of the trowel in blue. So I replicate that at the end but with black paint. I think we've done that because there was a weld where the throat met the body of the blade. Which I didn't really discover until I started removing the rust and trying to bring back the metal. It's a lovely little trowel this actually when you hold it in your hand. It's got a wooden handle which I believe is ash. You'll see it when the grain and the colour of it gets more revealed when I tidy that up later, which I've done using a scraper as per normal. The final finish on this here was basically just linseed oil, and I put a bit of wood beeswax on it as well, and then like I say, the black paint just to make it a bit more unique.